Welcome. If you're finding those manual upload notifications from Dropbox a bit distracting and want to turn them off, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to disable manual uploads notifications on your phone, updated for the latest version of the Dropbox app and your device's settings. First, start by opening your phone's settings. This is usually the gear icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Once you're in settings, look for apps or applications. The exact term might vary depending on your phone model, but it's where all your installed apps are organized. Next, scroll through your list of apps until you find Dropbox. Tap on it to access the app-specific settings. Here, you'll see options for permissions, storage, and, most importantly for us, notifications. Tap on Notifications to open Notification Management for Dropbox. This page controls all the types of alerts Dropbox can send you. Now, look for something called Notification Categories or Notification Channels. This section breaks down notifications into different types, such as uploads, comments, and manual uploads. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of categories. Find manual uploads in this list. This is where Dropbox notifies you whenever you manually upload files. To stop receiving these notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to manual uploads. Once it's off, your phone won't alert you for manual uploads anymore. And that's it. This quick change lets you keep your notification panel cleaner and more focused on what matters most to you, without those extra manual upload alerts popping up. If you ever want to turn these notifications back on, just follow the same steps and toggle manual uploads back to on. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.